Hello, everyone. This is a redo of Catalyst Pharmaceuticals, the video I did yesterday, ticker CPRX. And I'm getting super close to the phone because my audio sucks and I need to talk loud. So I hope this isn't annoying because I'm usually a very mellow, laid back type fellow. And I'm sorry if I'm screaming, but it's because I have to. Because I needs me a mic. That's what I do. So I got to get me a mic. So let me talk about, excuse me, Catalyst again. My redo. So this company is really, really good. It closed the day on Friday at $6.64, and it has a lot of volume, which it never used to have. Um, Back in the day, and when I say back in the day, I mean like just like 4 months ago, 3 months ago, 4 months ago, whatever. The volume was like only 200,000. Now I saw the volume's at 4 million on Friday, so it's getting the attention it deserves. Great. Okay, so I told you what it closed at. Uh, the market cap is 682 million. The 1 year target is $11.60. The institutional ownership is 71.31%. The PE ratio is 15.81, which is really good. Let me read you what the company does. It's a commercial stage biopharmaceutical company focusing on developing and commercializing therapies for people with rare debilitating chronic neuromuscular and neurological diseases in the United States. It offers Firdapse, an amifampridine phosphate tablet for the treatment of patients with Lambert-Eaton myasthenic syndrome, and Resergy for the treatment of pediatric LEMS patients. The company also develops Firdapse for the treatment of MuSK antibody positive myasthenia gravis and spinal muscular atrophy type 3, as well as to treat hereditary neuropathy with liability to pressure palsies. The only reason I read that so good is because I've done about 7 or 8 redos of this company because the audio sucks. But all right, fundamentals are really good. The profit margin is 29.31%. Operating margin is 39%. Return on assets is 16.87%. Return on equity is 22.59%. Revenue was 153.72 million. Revenue per share is 1.49. Quarterly revenue growth year over year is 42.70%. Their net income is 45 million. Quarterly earnings growth year over year is 72.80%. They have a total cash of 197.8 million, so almost 200 million in cash and only 4 million in debt. Their operating cash flow is $65 million. Really good. Let me read you this recent article. Catalyst reported earnings of 12 cents per share for the first quarter of 2022, which missed the consensus estimate of 14 cents. The company had reported earnings of 7 cents in the year ago quarter. Adjusted earnings came in at 18 cents per share in the reported quarter compared with 11 cents a year ago. Total revenues of $43 million were in line with the Zacks consensus estimate. Sales rose 42.7% from the year ago's quarter of 30.2 million. The top line primarily comprised sales of Firdapse and nominal license and other revenues. Firdapse generated sales worth of $43 million in the first quarter, up 42.4% year over year. License and other revenues were nominal at 0.005 million in the reported quarter. R&D expenses of 3.4 million increased from 3 million reported in the year ago quarter. Selling, general, and administrative expenses totaled 16.4 million, up from 12.7 million reported in the year ago quarter. As of March 31st, 2022, CPRX had cash equivalents, and investments worth of 198 million compared with 191 million as of December 31st, 2021. The 2022 guidance. Catalyst reiterated the guidance it had provided earlier this year. For 2022, the company continues to expect total revenues in the range of 195 million to 205 million, suggesting a 38 to 45% increase from the 2021 figure. It also expects annual cash operating expenses in the range of 65 to 70 million. And that's it. So this is my redo of Catalyst Pharmaceuticals, me screaming at you, my phone right up against my face. And I hope you all got this information better than what I did yesterday, because it's a really good company. So, bye everyone.